if I take you off a tone again? Display.
Receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Savannah, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodlake, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Glenn, Bradford, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Baldy, and Van Wert. And from Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Worcester. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to radio.